Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable the side menu and topics on Telegram using the latest updated settings. If you use Telegram regularly, this feature can make navigating between topics much faster and more organized. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all settings without any issues. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main navigation panel where you can access different sections of the app. Next, tap on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all customization and control options for your account and chat experience. Inside Settings, go ahead and tap on Chat Settings. This section allows you to adjust how your chats look and behave, including themes, animations, and other visual features. Now, scroll down until you find Animations. Tap on it to open more detailed options related to chat effects and performance. Here's where things get interesting. Under the power-saving options, tap on Effects in Chats. This section controls visual enhancements that appear while you're chatting. Look for the option labeled Side Menu in Topics. Once you find it, simply check or enable this option, and that's it. You've successfully turned on the side menu in Topics. With this feature enabled, navigating between different topics becomes smoother and more efficient, especially in busy group chats or channels with multiple discussions. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more Telegram tips to get the most out of your app experience.